This vibrant veggie chip bowl features avocado as a new Slimming World healthy fats choice, adding a boost of flavour, fibre and healthy fuel to your dish. Cut some floury potatoes into chips, spray with low-cal cooking spray, season and pop them in the oven or air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. While they cook, lightly pickle some sliced red onion and carrot with a squeeze of lemon and a pinch of salt. Next, make the green goddess dressing. Blend fresh tarragon, parsley and chives with lemon juice, garlic and yogurt and whiz everything together. Flip the chips, add some thin-stemmed broccoli and roast for another 10 to 15 minutes until the broccoli is crisp and charred. Now just assemble. Add some cooked peas, sliced creamy avocado and top with pickles and that gorgeous herby dressing. Fast, fresh, filling and fabulously Slimming World friendly. If you try this recipe, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy, flavour-packed food.